I'm gonna replicate the problem with the pen. So right here, oh my god, here I can get it to work. CPU at 0, RAM at 11%. I got 32 gigs of RAM, 8700K Intel processor, and just to kind of show you, I'm gonna go ahead and launch the program. Gonna open a file. Let's just open, I think, one of these guys. It hasn't been processed or anything. It's gonna be hard to kind of replicate it. So there we go. So I'm gonna hit B for the brush. We're gonna just open, oops, it doesn't matter. So just painting, you know, with the pen. So I can increase this, as you can see. No jitter, no nothing. It works fine. Alright, so no problems at all. I have a shortcut here to launch Liquify. Again, this is 17%. You can kind of see here once in launch. So let me, and I duplicate my layer so I can go to Liquify and just stamped a new layer after all the stuff created. Again, this is a 19%. This is my shortcut to Liquify. Launch it. That's after it's been launched, 0 and 20% of the memory. Here's the file. Let me see. You see that? I really don't know what's going on. You see that it starts jumping right away. So you see that I can't even. There you go. So sometimes I do subtle touches, you know, to liquefy or whatever, to shape, but it doesn't register sometimes. So this one's going, but this one right now is not until a while. I really don't know. Sometimes I just want to do subtle. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. You know, like I would like specific. See, that's not working. Usually, just you can saw at the top, it's fine, it was working, but now it's not. I don't know. Not only jitters when you get close, they go not working. Now that one's not working. So I need to sometimes do subtle changes. Now it's not even working at all. I really don't know. And again, this is Liquify, focus, Liquify the file. I'm at 9%. And of course the Dell. And if I go back over here, my memory, it's even at 24% CPU, so 0 usage right now. Not doing anything. You know, I really don't know what's going on. You know, sometimes it works fine, sometimes it doesn't. Touch works fine sometimes. Sometimes the touch doesn't work. You know, but yeah, that's kind of some of the issues that I'm having with the pen.